Oh man! Oh, Alice's restaurant. We don't need anything else. We have Alice's restaurant.
Hello! Welcome back. If you didn't see the last one, then what are you doing here? But we went.
What are we filming on?
We're filming on my brand new GoPro 10. Can you see the shock?
And what are we going to load it all into?
Turn over there. You need.
I'm going to.
A new trailer.
Who bought the trailer?
Me at an auction.
How much did we pay for this one?
300 something.
$340. Open her up.
Which one should we open first?
What? Reader's Digest. Complete do-it-yourself manual.
Boy, look at the dust in this one.
Oh.
This hasn't been touched in years.
Okay, I'll set this one down for you, okay?
Okay. Be careful. There might be spiders.
Open her up.
Paperwork.
And a spider.
Yep, bunch of paperwork.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna die now?
What is that?
More paperwork!
More paperwork. Open that one up, bud.
Oh, come on!
More paperwork.
And another spider.
That's kind of cool.
Hey, help me take the trophy down.
We like the controls. Oh, there's something in there.
Wires.
Batteries.
Well, that might have some value. All right.
Good, let's see what's in that binder.
Papers. A staple.
That's a
What's this? It looks like a book.
it's a notary seal.
Oh, a notary seal. That's cool.
Hey, look, a basket.
I think this is all clothes.
Oh, but Jack Daniels.
And a clipboard.
If it cleans up okay.
And a clipboard.
And there's a motorcycle ride cap. There could be some.
Cassidy, Kansas.
And a clipboard.
There could be some collectible value in here.
Motown.
That's good.
Lionel Richie.
Oh, there might be some good records in here. Peaches and Herb. We just bought this album.
Oh man! Oh, Alice's restaurant. We don't need anything else. We have Alice's restaurant.
What is that?
Is it in? It's not in there. It might be one of the other ones. Electrical Light Orchestra.
Hey.
Mary Poppins.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all.
Oh, Grease.
Hey. Because we found Mary Poppins, you know what the only way for me to say? Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
There's some good albums here. Third one. Is that Santana? Yep. Pat Benatar. Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. That's gotta be in there. Yep.
Do you have that record?
Not that one. I have their greatest hits. Jethro Tull. Cheech and Chong.
Oh yeah, I got my driver's license, man. That just sounded so real funny, man. Hey, your mama.
Hey, viewers.
Neil Young. Leonard Skinner.
Hey, hey.
Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. The Clash. That's a good one.
A lot of albums.
Journey. Rush. Oh, good Rush. Alrighty.
Hey, you know what I think we should take out next?
What do you want to do next?
Let's take out the bicycle.
Okay. What's in this?
Ooh.
What's that thing on top?
It's empty.
Oh,
Well,
No.
it's not. It's like a wedding cake topper or something.
Traditions. That could have some value.
Da-da-da-da!
Okay, buddy. Open her up.
Record.
Magazines?
Magazines.
What kind of magazines?
Cycle World. Must have been a bike rider.
I would
Cycle
say
World.
so.
A big bike rider.
That's in there.
All right.
Hey, look, and look what fell out of it. And look what fell out of it.
Very cool.
Put that back in.
Oh, look, a hole.
Yes.
Look, a hole.
Oh, yes. Please tell me that's in there.
Nope.
Don't think so?
No. What
That's-
is it supposed to be?
That's that radio control, radio remote control.
Nope.
Man, that's part of why I bid on it. Was the value that would have had.
There you go.
Okay.
Whoa!
Chiefs 1970 Super Bowl champions.
Paper.
Lloyd. Verdes.
Look at that.
Hey. Well, that's cool.
Ooh.
It's kind of stained.
Yeah.
That's got an autograph.
Wonder who it is.
Tracy Sue, 54.
I don't know.
Ooh, let's open this.
Super Sportster 20.
Ooh.
I'd look these up and they could be like $300 if they're. Don't.
I think just what they took the plane out of is in there.
Yeah. Okay. Nope, other way. Let's see. Got some socket sets.
Ooh,
Square.
this is nice. What's this? Oh, a knife.
That's a saw. Careful with it. Got a Black & Decker.
Ooh, is it a drill?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Battery's dead.
Ah.
That's a sanding pad.
Ooh, finally.
Drill bits, staples.
Oh, this seems to be good, right?
That's not bad.
Ooh, a screwdriver.
That's a socket.
It's a
Is this a good screwdriver? Is this a good screwdriver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Power epoxy.
Yeah. Get off, Spider.
Craftsman screwdriver.
It's a bike. Seems to be a good one. Good condition, white.
seems to be a good one.
Tires still seem to be inflated, white.
I think this is going to be a good one.
And it has a brake, kick brake.
It has a kickstand.
Wait, can we take this off that and put it on mine?
We'll have to look at it.
What's that?
Oh, it's an amp.
That put the big
Stereo
stuff.
tuner.
That put up the big stuff over here so I can show the viewers.
That's a nice chair.
I don't know if it's plastic or if it's leather.
Ooh, Mom, wait.
That's,
I think it's
That-
plastic.
you
Dust,
think?
dust it off.
Oh, yeah.
Dust off again.
No, we're not going to dust it off. Let's get this in the trailer. France.
France.
We have a France flag.
Hey, viewers.
Hey, buffer.
I can smell the wax.
Yeah, we've got a new finish right here.
I got it.
Well, that's something.
In the spirit of Christmas.
Santa's marching band. Well, that's cute.
Do you think we can? Hey,
Oh,
Dad,
that is cute.
Is
Got a
it?
bunch of mice.
Playing instruments.
Dad, I think it's actually a Christmas decoration.
It is.
And I think.
Do
Ooh,
you have
I,
the Kansas flag?
Woo! Viewers, look
Oh,
at
that's a
this.
nice one.
Viewers, this is actually becoming one of the spicy, right, Dad?
Looks like things are getting too spicy for the pepper.
This tackle box was another thing that we bought it for because this was selling $30, $40 on eBay.
Ooh, let's see what's
It looks light.
let's see what's inside.
It doesn't feel light.
It doesn't feel light. You're just strong.
We've got stuff in there.
Hey, Lewis.
That looks like a good one. It's all broke.
What about this one?
Careful. Don't get caught by the hooks.
That's pretty.
It is.
And it has lots of hooks. So I guess this guy likes multi-fishing.
Those are some big spoons.
All right.
I think he left some bait on it. Nice tackle box.
Yes, sir.
JBC.
Not bad.
Viewers, still, this is going to be, this video is actually, this video is still bringing in a little less than expected.
Okay, can you go put that somewhere safe?
What is it?
It's just a bottle.
What is this?
That's a
Is that a mixer?
equalizer.
Well, that looks expensive.
It was at some point anyway.
Oh, that's heavy.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that pretty?
Are we going to keep that?
Probably sell it.
Try to sell it.
That's a beautiful lamp. Like that?
Right.
Can I help?
Feel light or heavy?
Yeah, light.
But it has a lot of stuff on it, so it must be old. Oh, I'm getting good footage. I'm getting good footage. No.
Just another suitcase inside of it.
All right.
Oh.
Miles, did you get this typewriter in the footage? It's an old Sharp.
Ooh. So, viewers, show us what we have next.
A golf ball cabinet.
Woo! Woo!
That's pretty.
What is it?
It's a golf ball cabinet. You just play golf balls.
Collector golf balls.
Yeah. But it's new, never used.
So let me see.
That
So that,
old Fisher Price.
Yeah.
show me.
In the smash box.
Ooh, can I open that one with you?
It's just bedding.
Oh. We should really sweep that up.
We will.
Viewers, we had fun, but the other stuff is just boring. So, viewers, remember to join the shiver. And viewers, be sure to leave a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos every few weeks. And remember, viewers, keep hunting for that queen. And we'll see you on the next lockup. Bye-bye.